Having trouble connecting your monitor through a Lenovo ThinkPad docking station? You're not alone. With remote work on the rise, docking station display issues have become increasingly common. In this guide, I'll show you how to quickly fix the most frequent causes step by step. Start by identifying your connection type. HDMI supports up to 4K at 60 Hz. DisplayPort is best for high-resolution and multi-monitor setups, and USB-C is the most common trouble spot responsible for nearly 80% of docking issues. First, check all physical connections. Make sure the monitor cable is firmly connected to both the dock and the monitor, and confirm the dock's power adapter is fully seated. Loose cables are the number one cause of display failures. Next, update your ThinkPad drivers, especially graphics, Thunderbolt, and docking drivers. Use Lenovo Vantage to automatically scan and install the correct updates. If the display still isn't working, perform a power cycle. Disconnect your ThinkPad from the dock. Unplug the dock's power for 30 seconds, then reconnect the dock power first and attach your ThinkPad last. This clears temporary connection glitches. For USB-C docks, cable quality matters. Use a USB-C 3.1 Plus or Thunderbolt 3/4 cable that supports DisplayPort Alt mode. Charging-only cables will not transmit video. If basic steps fail, check BIOS settings to ensure Thunderbolt and USB-C display output are enabled. Disable USB selective, suspend in power settings, reinstall drivers cleanly, and update the dock's firmware if available. If nothing works, hardware issues like faulty cables or dock failure may require replacement.